Hey, we just picked up the camera for the Nintendo Switch 2. We're gonna check this out on Mario Party Jamboree TV. Here's the camera right here, and it comes with a USB-C cord. So the camera is all in one piece. You can adjust the top here. Pretty simple, basic design, but I guess that's all you really need. The base here, there's some grip on the bottom. Just find a good spot to set your camera, and then you're just gonna plug it in. All right, we got the USB plugged into the back of the camera. There's a little clip here to hold your cord, and then your USB can plug right into the top of your unit. All right, we got Mario Party Jamboree TV fired up, and we're in the camera setup mode here. So the camera is displaying. So you're gonna kinda zoom in, zoom out. You wanna be within 8 feet of your camera, so adjust your camera accordingly. Lock in on your face. We're gonna go to Bowser Live, and we're gonna pick the camera mini games. Start it up. This camera is pretty wide, so you can fit a bunch of players in here, but you position yourself in. All right, so you can see it's got me in the frame there. Now it's not perfect. You can see a little bit of the background, but we're just playing a game here. So here's one option of a mini game. We're gonna balance these Goombas on my head. You can see my little hat here moves with my head. So it's taking my body movement up. So that's a cool little mini game there that you don't have if you don't have the camera. It's definitely a different style gameplay. Now this would be a lot more fun with a bunch of people in it, obviously, but we're just kind of testing it out. Here's another game, it's reading my hand. That one right there would be pretty fun with multiple people in it. This camera overall is pretty cool. It brings another layer to Mario Party, and I believe the camera will be incorporated with a bunch of games coming out. I know there's like an online chat function with this as well, that way you can chat with your friends when you're playing multiplayer online. This was easy to set up. It's pretty simple. The quality could be a little bit better, but like I said, we're just playing a game here. It's not terrible, and it captures the movements required for this extra layer of gameplay.